Hello, this is Sam Crant Heart, and today I'm here to finally share what I got for Stamptember. So, I try to stay away from things that are too seasonal, kind of like too much Christmas. I could do Christmas, but you can sometimes use that stuff for winter. Too much Halloween, because Halloween is Halloween. And too many florals. So, there were a lot of florals. A lot of florals. So I didn't buy as much stuff. I mean, I actually bought a good amount, but I kind of stayed away from things that I thought, am I really going to use this? And so, if ever. So you'll see that. And I tried to stay away from too many florals. I think I did a good job. So I got a couple of these. These are tech tattoos. I'm not exactly sure how these work. Oh, I guess they're like stickers that you can put on your tech. They're cute. So I did get lucky and get the Lawn Fawn. I know Lawn Fawn is one of the first ones to go, so I did get it. It's home for the holidays. I have all of the Lawn Fawns, and I love, love, love them. This is very Halloween. This is very Christmas, definitely. But darn if it isn't cute. So I did get that one, and I always get the dies. This one is very winter. So, I mean, you could do it for holiday, but it's definitely very winter birthdays, maybe a little bit of Christmas, but this one's not too bad. This is the pink and Maine, and I got the dies, and I got the one last year, and I think they kind of go together. These are these little s'more guys, and it's Love You So Much. And then this is Pink Fresh Studio, and I really, I'm going to buy a floral, then I might also get a Pink Fresh Studio because I know I'm going to get a really amazing one. So this is the one we got. It's called Artistic Foliage, and it comes with all of its things. So you get the die, the stencil. It's a whole package. I don't know if they sold it separately. They might have, but I love that you get what they do, which is the stenciling and everything. So that's exciting. And then I got this one, which is Cappy Holidays. It's these capybara guys. I guess, are they like gophers? I don't know. They're cute. I know I was talking with somebody and they were just not down with the capybaras, but I think they're adorable and it's very Christmassy, but it is Mama Elephant and it's adorable. And I got the dies. I like it. Why not? So I did get Concord and Ninth. This is a poinsettia, which I don't have tons of poinsettia stuff. I do have some. I do have another stencil somewhere, and I think I've got some Pink Fresh Studio. But I did see somebody, one of the design team members, I think, use it with different colors. And she was so funny because she's like, I didn't know color poinsettias were. I didn't look them up or whatever. But she did them in pink and blue, and they were beautiful. So I thought, you could totally play around with the colors of flowers. No one says the colors have to be red. So I liked that. I ended up getting it. I got the die. It's a really pretty one. I think it's going to be fun to play with. I like the fact that it is a solid stamp. So it's a two-step solid stamp situation, and I like that. So I got that one. And then this one is Clearly Besotted. It's very Christmassy, but oh my God, it's so cute. And Clearly Besotted is on hiatus right now because the main designer is now designing for My Favorite Things. So I picked it up. It's so, so cute. I wish I had more people to give cards to. I'm going to do my card thing again where I think it starts around Thanksgiving week, Black Friday, that if you want a card from me, I'll send you one. Depends on how many cards I make between now and then, but it gives me the energy to do it. And then this one, this is very winter and I love it. So, and it's got a birthday sentiment. So I love the fact that this was sort of designed to be more wintry, and it is the Greeting Farms one, and it's called Warm the Heart. And actually I love all of the ones that they have done. They did a pumpkin spice one. They usually do a really cute one. And I love the snowman, and they got a hat and a heart, and I got the dies. And so that one's really cute. And then this one is La La Land Crafts. I also, I'm a big La La Land Crafts fan. I have a lot of product from Irina, and I always do most of her retreats. And I'm just a big fan of her product line. She does quality products. So this one's called Chill Winter Season. It's got that winter slash, you know, Christmas feel. It has one Christmas sentiment and one with presents. It could be for a birthday, Christmas birthday, or winter birthday, but I love it. It's cute. And I got the dies. And then I did get the Tim Holtz. So I got the package, which I left. You got these two little mini distress. I'll see if I can find it. All right, I grabbed it. And you get these two little distress grit pastes. One is glow, so I don't know. Exposing glow effect. Charge paste by exposing to bright light. So in bright light, it glows. I don't know. I have to figure out. But they're little mini and I love it. Texture paste sparkle. So, you know, figure that out. That's kind of fun. I love it. It's so Christmassy, but it's adorable and I love it. So, it's cute. I love the sentiments. This is one of those that you could just totally do super simple note cards with these. I love these. I think they make great gifts. And then you get these little stencils, I guess you can use with the little grit pastes that you have. And then I did go ahead and get the dies that go with it, because if you don't buy the dies, you can't get them later. We got to get them right then and there. So that's what I got for September. I thought it was a good September. Actually, I think I'm pretty happy with what I got. I'm glad that I didn't like everything because it would have been a fortune. And this year they did free shipping, which was amazing. So, you know, because the shipping was just outrageous. You had to pay like $7 shipping every single day. It was just ridiculous. So the fact that we got free shipping made it worth it. And, you know, and I think I really just got things from companies I really love and things I thought I would eventually use. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Green Tech.